Yung kaso kasi masarap pong sundan eh.
Was already invited. I do not know for today. So, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move, since he's not present without any excuse, I move that we issue a show cause order for Mr. Charlie Tan. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to issue a show cause order to Mr. Charlie Tan for failing to attend the scheduled committee hearing today and duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
And also, Mr. Chairman, I move that we issue a show cause order for Mr. Small Abiliar. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Show cause order?
Because he's also, as per information, he's also invited in today's hearing.
Okay, so there's a motion to issue a show cause order to Mr. Nilo Small Abilera for failing to attend our committee hearing today. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Before Congressman Suarez, Congressman Dan Fernandez.
I was about to ask also the COMSEC if we have already invited the two personalities. And the same question that I'll be asking sana. But it was already been moved by Congressman, Chairman Paduano.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Dan Fernandez. Yes, Congressman J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chairman, just point of clarification. I'm taking down notes kasi dito sa talakayan na nangyayari. Matanong ko lang po ito si Mr. Jimmy Guban.
With the indulgence of Congressman,
Yes, I think,
with the indulgence of Congressman Pimentel.
I'm done, Mr. Chair. I have no
Okay,
further
thank you.
questions.
Congressman Suarez, please
Thank
proceed.
you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Jimmy Guban, at the time na kayo po ay nasa Senado, kayo po ay detained. Ano po ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nasa kwarto?
Detained po ako, Your Honor. I was cited in contempt, Your Honor. On the very first day, Your Honor, I was already cited in contempt.
So doon ka natutulog?
Opo, Your Honor.
So I just find it a little bit awkward, Mr. Chair, kasi tulad sa atin dito sa Kongreso, pag meron po tayong mga taong nakadetain sa ating facility, medyo mahigpit po yung protocols bago mapuntahan po sila sa kanilang kwarto. Hihingi pa po ng pahintulot yan at magpapaalam pa po sa ating Sergeant at Arms. May proseso po yon. So matanong ko lang si Mr. Paul Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, you admitted that you went to the room of Mr. Jimmy Guban. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Freely? With
No, Mr. Chairman. With the approval of the chair of the Blue Ribbon at the time, Senator Gordon. That's
So,
why
meron po ba
akong-
kayong papel o dokumento na magsasabi na pinahintulutan kayo ng chairman na makausap si Mr. Jimmy Guban?
Wala po, Mr. Chairman. Pero at that time po,
So, paano po namin malalaman na nagsasabi po kayo ng katotohanan na talagang pinayagan kayo na kausapin si Jimmy Guban?
Well, Mr. Chairman, siya na nga po ang nagsabi na may kasama po kung...
Hindi. Ang tanong ko po ay paano po kami maniniwala na pinayagan po kayo ni Chairman Richard Gordon para makausap si Jimmy Guban? Kasi sinabi po ninyo, pinayagan kayo.
Opo,
So pag
opo.
pinayagan kayo, may dokumento po yun.
Verbal lang po yun, Mr. Chairman eh. Ano bang tipong, Mr. Chair, can I go visit out? Tingnan ko lang kung ano talaga ang situation.
And is this a practice that
No,
you
no,
regularly do to all detained persons in the Senate?
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chairman. Parang, kasi nga, very brief lang naman po yung ano.
So it's not a regular
No,
it's not
hindi
a
po.
regular practice you do.
Hindi po, parang humingi lang po ako ng pabor, gano'n, ay napagbigay
Hindi.
naman po.
Okay, so humingi ka ng pabor at hindi regular practice na ginagawa mo na bumisita sa mga
Hindi po,
detained.
hindi po.
O, kung hindi sa regular practice, bakit parang napaka-special naman at hindi mo talagang ginagawa kasi lang para kay Jimmy Guban, humingi ka ng pahintulot sa chairman para lang makausap siya. What makes Jimmy Guban so special from all those that were previously detained in the Senate that you actually went out of your way, went to the chairman of the Blue Ribbon, asked for permission to go see Mr. Guban, and went to go see Mr. Guban? What was so special about Mr. Guban that you had to exercise all this effort just to go see him?
Mr. Chairman, again, as I've stated, as a reporter, curious po kung malaman yung
Hindi, alam mo,
yung-
Mr. Gutierrez,
Apo.
kung sasabihin mo po sa akin na curious ka lang sa kalusugan niya, ang dami pong nakukulong dyan sa Senate at dami din na sa cite in contempt. Hindi ka rin ba curious sa lahat ng katayuan ng kalusugan ng lahat na nakukulong doon sa detention facility nila? Eh, inamin mo lang ngayon, kay Mr. Guban mo lang po ginawa yun eh. Yun ang hindi ko po masyado maintindihan doon.
Pagpamanin po ninyo, Mr. Chairman, kung I'm creating a very negative impression, baka po inisip ninyo.
No. I'm just trying to see, see it as the way it is. You admitted that it's not a regular practice for you to go see detained individuals. Sinabi niyo po yun. However, in the case of Mr. Guban, you went to go see the senator, the chairman, which is not easy to do. Humingi ka ng pahintulot, nakausapin siya, binigyan ka ng pahintulot, sinamahan ka, at si Mr. Guban ang kinausap mo. Kasi hindi mo talaga ginagawa ito eh. Ang hindi ko po masyado maintindihan, bakit sa lahat ng mga tao na nandoon, na nakukulong, na nasa cite in contempt, kay Mr. Guban mo lang po ginawa yon. Yun lang po ang hindi ko masyado maintindihan.
I understand, Mr. Chairman, pero at that time po kasi particular po yung ibang, kumbaga po yung kaso kasi masarap pong sundan eh. When you're there from the day one, di po ba yung panahon po na
Ganito na lang,
binuksan sa
tapusin
MIP yung
na
ano
lang
po.
natin yung kwento sa may interest ka sa kaso, gano'n.
Maganda po yung kaso.
Maganda yung kaso.
Maganda po yung kaso. In fact, dala ko po rito, Mr. Chairman, with your kind permission, and I believe I've already submitted all of the articles I wrote at the time dito po sa atin pong secretariat. Pamanin na lang po kung kukunti po ang dala ko pong kopya ngayon. And from there, you will also see na hindi po malabong magalit po sa akin si Mr. Guban at magtanim siya ng galit hanggang ngayon sapagkat wala naman po talagang akong naisulat na maganda po hinggil sa kanyang mga ginawa at mga pangyayari sa customs ng mga panahon na yun.
Anyway, yun lang po, Mr. Gutierrez, ang tinatahi ko lang po dito sa mga notes na ginagawa ko.
Opo.
Kasi doon sa kwento na nangyayari, yun lang po yung hindi ko masyado matugma. Parang special case lang po itong si Mr. Jimmy Guban. So, Mr. Jimmy Guban, other than Mr. Gutierrez, was there any other personality that went to go visit you while you were detained at the Senate facility?
No, except my family, Your Honor.
So, maliban sa pamilya mo, si Mr. Gutierrez lang.
Your Honor, siya lang. Then the later part, Your Honor, inallowed naman na yung iba ko. Of course, yung lawyers, then other relatives.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair. I just wanted to get that clear. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chair,